Bhagwan, working as an assistant professor at Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Anna Saheb Avte College, Manchar. Friends, today we are going to study life cycle of nostoc, class TYBSc, paper Cryptogamic Botany, unit Algae, sub-unit life cycle of nostoc. Nostoc is an algae, especially blue-green algae. In a life cycle of nostoc, we will study systematic position, then occurrence, then thallus structure, reproduction, and economic importance. These are the different points in this topic. First point is the systematic position. Systematic position, or it is also called as classification or taxonomic position. In a systematic position, there is a division, class, order, family, and genus. This nostoc, they are included in division algae, class Cyanophyceae, order Nostocales, family Nostocaceae, genus Nostoc. This is the systematic position. Here, division algae, general characters of algae. You know that algae are the chlorophyll bearing plants. Plant body is simple, haloid. Then cell wall is made of a cellulose. Then class Cyanophyceae. Class Cyanophyceae is also called as Myxophyceae. Character is about the Cyanophyceae. Reservoir food material is in the form of Cyanophycean starch. Also, another character in Cyanophyceae, there is absence of true nucleus. Then order Nostocales. Character of the Nostocales is the members. Their plant body is thalloid and thallus with trichomes. Trichomes, they are generally unbranched. Then family Nostocaceae. Nostocaceae, their character is trichomes, they are simple, heterocyst and akinates are present. Then genus Nostoc. In nostoc, trichomes, they are twisted and they are involved by a mucilaginous sheath. This is the classification or systematic position. Then next point, occurrence. This nostoc, or it is also called as member of the blue-green algae, it commonly occurs after the flu rains. It occurs in the month of June, July, August, and September. Nostoc, it is found as terrestrial or aquatic in condition. Terrestrial means they are found on the moist soils, or they are also found in aquatic condition. Aquatic condition means they are found in water. Nostoc species, they are also found in water pools, in paddy fields, waterlogged soils, also found on the moist rocks. Some of the species of the nostoc, they are found in stagnant water. Some species of the nostoc, they are found epiphytically as well as endophytically. Epiphytically means they grow on the other aquatic plants, other aquatic weeds. That is called as epiphytic. Some species of the nostoc, they are found endophytically. Endophytically, endo means inside, phytically means plant. They are found inside the plant body. In which some species of the nostoc, they are found in roots, especially cycas root. That root is called as spheroid root. Some species of the nostoc, they are found in Pteridophyta, for example, Azolla. Then some are found in bryophytes member, that is Anthoceras, in Anthoceras thallus. While nostoc is also found in lichen. Lichen in association with fungal members. This is the occurrence of nostoc. In short, nostoc, they are found in terrestrial condition as well as aquatic condition. Terrestrial condition means they are found on the moist soil, and aquatic condition means they are found on the in the water or water pools or in the stagnant water. Then next point, thallus structure. Thallus structure. We know that nostoc, it is a algae. In algae, plant body is thalloid. Thalloid means not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. So in nostoc also, plant body is thalloid and colonial. There is a trichomes, and trichomes, they are twisted and embedded in the gelatinous sheath. This is a gelatinous sheath. In that gelatinous sheath, that trichomes, twisted trichomes, they are embedded. This is a single trichome. It shows vegetative cell. There is a heterocyst, also eukaryotes. Such type of trichomes or filaments, many filaments, they come together and they are embedded in a common gelatinous sheath. Here, individual cell, it is a cyanophycean type. Means there is absence of nucleus, presence of the organelles. It consists of a cell wall. Cell wall is made of a cellulose. Also there is a stored or reserve food material. Stored or reserve food material in the form of cyanophycean starch. Then heterocyst. These trichomes or filament also consist of heterocyst. Heterocyst, it is a intercalary in between the vegetative cell. They are double walled, pale yellow colored structure. It consists of polar nuclei at both the ends. These heterocysts are present in between vegetative cells. This is the heterocyst. In this way, this is the thallus structure of the nostoc. In short, thallus structure of nostoc is colonial. Filaments or trichomes, they are twisted and embedded in the gelatinous sheath. Then next point, reproduction. Reproduction means production of new individuals. In nostoc, reproduction takes place by asexual method, while sexual reproduction is absent. Sexual reproduction is totally absent in nostoc. Only asexual reproduction is present. In asexual reproduction, there is takes place by hormones and by eukaryotes. Hormones in nostoc, hormones are the pieces of of trichomes. Pieces of trichomes or pieces of filaments. In this type of asexual reproduction, what happens? These trichomes or hermogones, they separate from the mother plant, and each trichomes, pieces of trichomes, that is the hermogones, they give rise to a new individual, that is called as asexual reproduction by hermogones. Second type is the asexual reproduction takes place by eukaryotes. Eukaryotes, they are the vegetative cells. In vegetative cells, what happens? There is formation of thick wall, and in the cell there is the accumulation of the reserve food material. And cell wall become thick. That is called as eukaryotes. And from that eukaryote, what happens? These eukaryotes, they separate from the mother plant, and each eukaryotes, they give rise to a new individual. That is called as vegetative reproduction. This is called as asexual reproduction by eukaryotes. And eukaryotes are the vegetative cells. On that vegetative cells, there is formation of thick wall and accumulation of food material. That is called as eukaryotes. And eukaryotes, they give rise to a new individual. This is about the reproduction. Then last point, economic importance. You know that nostoc is a blue-green algae. It is used as a biofertilizer. Because nostoc, it fixes the atmospheric nitrogen, and it gives readily available to the plants. So it is used as a biofertilizer. Most of the farmers, they use nostoc as a biofertilizer in paddy field. When we applied nostoc as a biofertilizer in a paddy field, at that time there is about 25% yield is increased. Then another important is the food. This nostoc is used as a food by aquatic animals. These are the economic importance. One is the biofertilizer, and another one is the food by aquatic animals. In this way, in the life cycle of nostoc, we today studied systematic position, occurrence, thallus structure, reproduction, and economic importance. This is the life cycle of nostoc. Hence, then on the next lecture, we will be studying life cycle of carp. Okay, thank you.